तकलीफ हो तो Okay, everyone. So we were discussing point number 5, and if we have any more doubts, please write it down in the chat box. Okay, let's come on point number 5. So point number 5 is saying that okay, point number 5 was window dressing only. So I think I've answered that doubt also. Point number 5 भी मैंने आपको बता दिया है कि any kind of manipulation or any kind of uh, difference, if any kind of increasing of profit or reducing of expenses that we are doing in our financial statement, so that we can attract our we can attract our participants, or we can attract our users, are basically called window dressing, and it is only allowed up to the permissible limit. Okay, so this is the meaning of window dressing, and beyond it, it will lead to fraud. So we are not supposed to do any such kind of fraud by using window dressing as a tool. Okay, so I hope there are no other doubts that we have for the disadvantages of accounting. So let's move on to the another topic. I think अभी कोई doubt नहीं है, तो हमारे पास अभी भी 10 मिनट का समय है, तो मैं आपको एक बहुत छोटा सा टॉपिक कराती हूँ. We have already covered users of accounting information. Okay, accounting as a source of information. I want you all to read it, because जो हम इसमें पढ़ रहे हैं ये exactly हम पढ़ चुके हैं पहले ही. That means accounting as a source of information में जो हमने पढ़ा accounting के बारे में और उसके cycle के बारे में, वही यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है as it is. Everybody just go through it. If you have any doubt, please ask. Right? Meanwhile, let me just, okay. So here it is. Accounting as a source of information. Everybody, please just go through it. Okay, I hope nobody has any doubt regarding the topic that is right in front of you, that is accounting as a source of information. There is last bullet point, which is saying that provides information about corporate social responsibility. इसको मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ, एंड दैट इज, मैंने आपको बताया था कि सोसाइटी भी, यानी कि पब्लिक भी हमारे एक यूजर्स में से एक होते हैं. तो क्योंकि पब्लिक एक एक्सटर्नल यूजर है, तो व्हाट आर वी डूइंग towards them, that means how are we paying attention towards the people in terms of what benefits are we providing to them. Are we opening up any crutches? Are we opening up any hospitals, schools, parks, anything? So that is called the corporate social responsibility. So we are basically focusing upon that the organization which is operating and is using the resources of the society, what benefit is it going to give back to the society, apart from providing the good quality product at reasonable price, avoiding of any kind of malpractices, avoiding of any kind of unethical practices, or apart from this, how are we going to help the society in getting developed? So that is this is what the last bullet point in accounting as a source of information was reflecting. आज हमारा सिलेबस जो चैप्टर नंबर 1 में हम कर रहे हैं वो यहाँ तक यूजर्स के अंदर, यूजर्स तक हमारा टॉपिक फिनिश हो चुका है. एवरीबडी, यू हैव गॉट 1 डे ब्रेक इन बिटवीन संडे का. आप वहां शुरुआत से, मतलब मीनिंग ऑफ अकाउंटिंग से लेकर यूजर्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग तक अपने सारे टॉपिक्स को पढ़ेंगे, आज कंप्लीट करेंगे. इफ देयर इज एनी डाउट्स विद एनीबॉडी still remaining, I'll be taking up the doubt in the next session on Monday, and I'll also convey you that on which platform are we going to meet on Monday, whether it is going to be Zoom only or it is going to be something else, right? But for the current, right now, for the time that you have in your hand right now, please revise the topic and complete all your notes in your notebook so that you are prepared with whatever topic that has been covered till date. Okay, so I hope I'm not receiving any more doubts from anybody else. So we conclude this class here. Everybody, let's meet on Monday now. Please take care of yourself and stay safe. Thank you.